What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews. It's good to be alive and it's also good to be in cryptocurrency. And for you to trade cryptocurrency, you need an exchange. And today I'll be reviewing Gaex Exchange. If you heard about BitGame, now Gaex Exchange is the name that comes to your mind. Now, this exchange is so beautiful. I love the website. I love everything about this exchange. Well put together, and here you can see the price changes. You can see the Ethereum, you can see the price BGC, this matrix AI. You can see all the information, the changes that exist here. You can see everything for yourself. You can see. Now, one of the things you may also need to do is to register. You can need to register. Let me show you how to register. So I've registered. So when you sign up, when you go to gaex.com, all you are going to see is sign up or sign in. So all you need to do is to sign up if you don't have an account. You're going to click on sign up, and this is how the form what it's going to bring out for you. And now there are two things to it. You can sign up using your phone registration. You can sign up using your email. So just enter your email address. You enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, then you click on send code. Then they will send a code to your email address. Once they send a code to your email address, you type in the code, you put the password you want, then you confirm the password by typing in the password once again. And if someone referred you to Gaex, now it's good you put the code of your referral down, but it's optional. But it's good if someone refer you. I mean, just like kind of appreciation for the person who introduced you to it, and you can just type the code of the person here, and you click on sign up. And once you sign up, that is as easy as that. You also need to do is your KYC. KYC means know your customer. So you will have to send your document like your international passport, driver's license. So you type your full name and just do your KYC. And once your KYC is approved, voila, you start exchanging on the website, start trading on the website. Now, let's go here now. And now, I've showed you before. They also have a game center, a trade center, and a quiz center. And you can see here, they have the BTC market, Bitcoin, they have BGC, they have ACT market, they have TT market, USDT market, you have Ethereum market. Now, let's go to exchange and see how beautiful it's put together. So, now, this is Ethereum market. You can see different prices here, and you can see the changes. This is green now. This is green. This is red. So you can see the changes in prices. Now, currently, BGC the price is going up. BGS, I mean, price is going up. Man, the price is going up. You can see the price is going down. So let's assume we want to buy BGX. Now let me talk about BGS. BGS is the token, the exchange token for this web or exchange, Gaex Exchange. So if you have BGX, you can use it to trade. In fact, you can see here, once you click on it, there are cryptocurrency you can trade with BGS. Now, whenever you trade in any exchange, there's a fee you are paying for it, and that is normal because they are the one maintaining the website, spending money on it, so they are charging you an exchange fee. Every cryptocurrency exchange does that. They charge you a fee for that. Now, out of that fee, you can pay in Bitcoin. If you are exchanging in Bitcoin, you can pay in Ethereum, you can pay in the token, all the rest. Now, if you have BGX, you can actually pay for the exchange fee with BGX. Now, instead of you paying 100% as it were, the good news is you pay 50% off. So let's assuming you, and there are some people who trade a lot in cryptocurrency who are active trader, and they pay amounts. People trade $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, and imagine you get 50% off by owning BGX token. There's something I also want you to know about. Cryptocurrencies is highly volatile. And one of the things that guarantees you the future of the coin, how the coin will be of great use, how the value of the coin will increase, is what is the coin being used for. Some coins are utility tokens, some are security tokens, some coins are privacy coin, and some are just for exchange. There are some crappy coins on coin market cap on the blockchain that is serving almost no use. There has no community. So if you get involved in that kind of token, or you invest in that kind of coin, as time goes on, the value keep going down because the coin is useless. But imagine coins like exchange token or coin. Let me tell you, it's very, very good to invest in them. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not. This is my personal opinion. Anything I say here is strictly my personal opinion. But when you invest in like BGS, which is the exchange token, the price of the token will keep going up. You know why? Because it is active. People keep trading and they get 50% off when they trade with BGS, and that will encourage them to trade with it. So every day people are trading with it. The coin is useful because once you log on to Gaex exchange, you use it to trade. So and now the more people will keep holding it, they keep holding it, they keep keeping it with them, the more the price keep going up. So exchange tokens are very, very important in case you do not know. Now, what is the price? Let's check it out here. We're on Ethereum. Now, this is 0.00410. That is the buy or the sell order here. And this is the buy order. I'll come back to that later. Now, let me click on this. We want to know the price. Come here. This, if you want to know to calculate what it's all about, all you need to do is to go to tools and you click on currency converter calculator. So put it here. The price in Ethereum, you can see the price is 0.001 to this currently the price, and I can tell you that as time goes on, this price you see here is going to increase. My personal opinion. Now let's go back. So now if you want to trade, let's just imagine you want to trade BGS. So of course, since you are trading on Ethereum, so you need to have some Ethereum with you. Then you can choose here. If you want to buy directly, these are amounts people are ready to sell. 410, 415, 430 is going up, and this is the amount someone is ready to buy for this amount. So there are two options you have. You can just go direct, click on it and buy at 0.000410, or you can do this. You can wait. You can put it for 0.0. Like if you click 350, then you join the queue here. But if you put 351, then you go up. Then if someone is ready to sell, you'll be among the first to be picked. This is how it goes. You have it in USDT. Some people like to trade in US dollars, and the reason for that is because sometimes they don't know what the price of a token is. So let's assume they just finish selling a coin. They can just want to keep it on USD, on US dollar. If you keep it on USD, the price don't really change. So they exchange the coin, they sell it, and they keep the money in US dollar. So I'm glad that Gaex exchange has where you can be able to trade in US dollars. I love that about them. Now, let's do this. Let's see the informations about them, the social. Now, let's go to the Telegram page. BitGame, 61,267 members. So that is huge. That is huge. So they have community. I can check them out here on Twitter. They're available on Twitter. They're available on YouTube. Just click on video. You'll see different videos they have. Different videos. So your free time, go take your time and go through it. Watch them. Watch them one after another. One after another. Now, I hope I'll be able to let you know in details what this exchange is all about. It's a very nice exchange and I really love it. It's a nice exchange. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to drop the link of this exchange down below. I'm going to drop the link. Just click on it, register, and it's as simple. You can trade as many cryptocurrency as you want, and I'm very sure, as you can see, more cryptocurrency is going to be added on this exchange, and the more coins they add, the bigger this exchange becomes, the bigger the community, and you know what, the bigger the coin BGS, the bigger it becomes. So this BGS, keep your mind on it. I'm not telling you what to do, but you can decide now to get yourself some BGS. Use it to trade on the exchange and keep some for the future. And you will see what will become of BGS token. Thank you very much for watching my review. But do not forget, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say here is strictly my personal opinion. And as I said, I'll drop the link of this exchange down below. Click on it and register. I'm going to bring more videos for you. But please, before you go, click on subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Show me some love and like this video. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.